Goose Club Playhouse! Pokemon Card Unwrapping.
Hey guys, I'm Jesse and these are my boys, the Ruckus, Diego, Zion, and Kingston. Can you guys say hello?
Hello.
Today we got a really cool treat. We're gonna open some Pokemon cards. You ready? I'm gonna make it rain Pokemon cards. And are you ready? Alright, everybody pick one. Okay, you got one?
Gyarados.
Alright, Zion's opening his cards. Let's see what's in there.
Oh, I got Shifty, and this guy is Cloyster. Oh my gosh! What a break!
You got a what?
Zion,
I have no idea what you guys are talking about. Can you guys tell them what?
Oh, Omni-X! It's a scratchy card.
Man, you guys
You
are
got your
excited
first. You
about
got
this.
his first EX.
Whoa! I have no idea what that means, but that's exciting.
Kingston, you got your first EX.
Diego's gonna open his now.
Our first
Diego,
EX.
what'd you get?
Oh, didn't give me EX.
No?
I got a break. You got the same guy as me.
Hey, what's your favorite thing about these cards?
Trading.
Trading?
Yeah, trading.
Alright. Where's the card you guys got really excited about?
I got a break Green Ninja. Here's the break. And let's move on to this guy. Frogador,
Rogador, what color is that?
Blue, Cricketon, and of course, again, the Green Ninja
Man,
break.
you really like that one.
Yeah, EX, that's a card. Travis,
What colors are on that card?
he's green.
Green? Which one's your favorite one from those, Kingston?
Autumn.
All of them? Okay.
I got a guard chomp, ducklet, a trainer potion, Palpitoad, and then I got Durant. It looks like it's tired or old. Then I got a trainer, bursting balloon. Trainers can sometimes help you with your cards.
How do they help you with your cards?
They can help your cards get stronger because they're trainers.
Ah, nice.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Mother Goose Club Playhouse!